very delicious, colorful, and yummy pot of brown beans. You want to know how I put this together? Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Angela here again. I hope you guys are good from wherever you're watching me from. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare Dutch brown beans. And I'm going to be using canned beans for this recipe. And this is Hollandse brown bone. Hollandse brown bone. And in here I have 3 cans of that. I'm using sweet corn as well. Green peas, yellow bell peppers, baby carrots, rosemary and curry powder, 3 star cubes and salt for taste, and I'm using diced tomato, 1 can. I'm using 1 kilo of grounded meat, beef. I'm using beef. 2 white onion and 2 red onions, and I'm using garlic, pepper, hot pepper, and ginger. I'm using black pepper and sunflower oil as well. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of sunflower oil to my pan. I'm gonna start cooking. Quickly slice my onions, garlic and ginger, added them to the pan, and I'm going to fry this for 2 minutes to get some flavor, oh my god, out of those garlic and the ginger and the onions together. It's yummy. Now I'm adding my pepper to it. I added my beef, and I'm going to fry this beef until the color is getting brown. Then I'm going to add my spices. Just like so. Now I'm gonna add the curry powder and the rosemary. I didn't use too much spices because this food is for my kids. I don't want complaint for them to say, oh mama, what did you add to it that you didn't add before? Something is different. They are always so selective for food. These Dutch children safe. Now wow. I added 1 star cube and salt. Now you can see my meat. The beef is completely brown but not completely cooked yet. I just added the carrot, the green peas. Now I'm going to add my diced tomato. I'm using just 1 can. I don't want it watery. Added my remaining onions. Adding my beans to it. The remaining stock cube and the salt. I just mix everything together. Added black pepper just for the flavor. This is what my children are used to. Then the bell pepper and the sweet corn. It's just the beans and some vegetable, a lot of vegetable. I'll give it a good mix and I'll let it cook for 20 minutes. Now you can see it's ready. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much and I appreciate. Like my page. Thank you for watching.